playing this little gamey here, and it's pretty interesting. Not too shabby. So you get some mechs and stuff, and you can upgrade them, get parts and all that jazz. So here's some of my mechs. So yeah, this guy, and they got some special abilities, as you can see, like right here. So they prefer like certain weapons and such. But yeah. Anyway, so let's get on with this, and we'll go ahead and see what we get. Maybe I'll get something good. Hello. Oh. Okay, so nothing great. Let's see. Guess I didn't mean to do that. And, oh, well, budget. Might as well. Oh, I got a new, weapon. Oh, alright. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna go put that thing on. So, alright. So what I'm gonna do is, oh, hey, what's up with this? Oh, I'll rank that up. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And so I think I'm actually going to use the mortar, too. So I'm going to go with that. Alright, to the boss battle. Oh, second. Oops, I'm sorry. Yeah, this is a fun little game on my second little upgrade. Got to press play. But, yeah, so continuous fire. It just adds, like, +2 shots. So you see this little indicator right there? Usually just one, but I got, oh, I'm sorry, I think it has 2 shots, and then I just added 2. And I'll do that one. Never used the real gun, as we just won it. So I'm just take more shots. Trying to find some loot boxes because you get some little bonuses. Or you can either get health, some gold, a little energy boost. Did I say health? Yeah. And then from these guys, he's gonna drop 2 things. I didn't want that health. I didn't need it yet. And then this is like a super power up. Fusion or trash super grenade. I'm gonna go. Actually, I probably should have went to the small guy. Get more speed. Which one? We'll do that. See, that's a little box right there. So there's some little gold. Oh, there's also a little magnet thing, like you see on the right there. That just like pulls in like all the coins or the experience. Explosive range. Okay, so there's some health. What that there? Oh, and you see, like, sometimes there's, like, a few little drones that come by. That one is a little suicide one that just flew in. Little kamikaze drone. Now, some of the pirate shit, and I just Sends it straight through. Man. Let's see, yeah, every 8 shots with my main gun, I summon one of those pirate ships. Damage. Damn. Budget. Oh no, I should have refreshed it actually. Cool. So yeah, that's a little energy boost. Like that will just give me like maximum firepower for a little bit. Continuous fire. Yeah, fuck it. Damage. Almost didn't want to get that health. Good. I'm just gonna grab that health. Let's see, there's the mag. Let's see, whirlpool damage. I'm gonna refresh it. Things open. Boom. Jesus. Supposed to be able to hold them off. There we go. Mini boss. Well, I shouldn't say mini boss. You have to fight 2 of them. And I've got like a quarter of the area freaking blocked off because of that little fence thing. Oh, kill him. Kill him. Stay away. Come on, kill him. Give me that health. Straight into weapons. Times 2. Oh, fudge it. I'm just gonna freaking blast everyone straight to hell. Damn, I got 20 shots. Nice. Okay, so explosion range. I'll just take that one. So get out of here. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, it's nice to have that. Those grenades or the mortars leave that fire. So it helps me with the damage. Oh no, lightning range, lightning damage, explosion range. Man, I need that one. Because it goes everywhere. The Tesla coil. We're gonna need that freaking little energy boost here badly. Oh shit, I'm gonna go corner. Burn it, explosion range, continuous. Alright, well, I gotta go for that. Need extra shots on it. Shit, I needed that one. Good God. Get me out of here. I might actually be able to do it this time. I haven't died yet. I got some new perks. My weapons are stronger than last time. Oh, Jesus. She's not too bad. Oh yeah. Let's see. Shoot these three. Damage plus 20%. I'm gonna do that. I actually done 50% for the Tesla car, but fume. Oh, come on. I'm almost there. Oh my god. I think I might have one more zombie wave too. Yeah. Damage. Oh shit. Oh no. I'm so fucking dead. I'm not gonna survive this one. Partial size. Damage. Any damage. Shit. Okay. Alright, luckily I'm blocked from... Oh god. What? Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. This is horrible. Absolutely horrible. I'm about to die. Give me the help. Give me the help. That's full. Legendary, sweep, whirlpool gravity, damage, oh fuck. I'm about to die. So about to die. I'm just... Come on, let me kill that fucker! Stay away, stay away! Oh, let me fucking kill him! Yeah! Way to go, I did it, yeah. Alright. Let's see. I don't want that. Go away. Give it to me. Well, give it to me. Alright. So, let's see, where are we at here? Alright, go to the mech. Part. Rank up. Non-best delay option. Okay. I don't know what that is, but rank it up. Alright. So that's that. Anyways, that's Mech Assembly.